Hey friends, in this video, I'll show you how you can edit a certificate like a pro using Photoshop. First, make a duplicate of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Hide the background layer and go to layer 1. Here, we need to remove this name so we can replace it with another. For that, select the lasso tool from the toolbar and make a selection around the name you want to change. Once done, right-click and choose Fill. With Content Aware selected, hit OK. Fix any small mistakes if needed. Now, we have a blank certificate where we can type in any name we want. Select the text tool and type in the new name. Change its font. Here, we'll use the font Flatline. Adjust it until it looks perfect. And that's it. In this way, you can change the name to whatever you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.